How to store fried rice in the fridge the right way. To store fried rice in the fridge, first cool it completely, then transfer it to an airtight container, and refrigerate for up to 3 to 4 days. For faster cooling, spread the rice in a single layer on a baking sheet, which also helps prevent it from becoming mushy when reheated. Step 1. Cooling. Spread it out. Spread the cooked fried rice in a thin layer on a baking sheet or a large plate to help it cool down quickly, ideally within 1 hour. Why it's important: cooling it quickly is crucial to prevent the growth of Bacillus cereus bacteria, which can cause food poisoning. Step 2. Storing. Use an airtight container. Once cooled, transfer the rice to a sealed, airtight container to keep it fresh and free from absorbing other odors. Refrigerate promptly. Place the container in the refrigerator as soon as it's cool. Use within a few days. The rice is best consumed within 3 to 4 days. Optional tips. Add a little oil. Mix in a small amount of oil before storing to prevent the rice grains from sticking together. Label and date. Label your container with the date you stored it to keep track of freshness.